Hey, welcome back to the Caribou Data Science Channel. Hey, before we get started with today's video, do me a favor, do us a favor, click that like button at the bottom of the screen for me. On with the show. Hey, welcome back to the Caribou Data Science Channel. We're going to do a little data wrangling here with Excel. We're going to be the data wrangling is the tidytuesday data science project. It has to do with life expectancy. The data itself comes from our world in data. And it consists of three different tables, three different CSV files, which we want to combine into one. And then do a little data cleaning. Then maybe do a quick check just to make sure that that the numbers look right. Here, let's see, saves. Down here, come down here. Come down here. GitHub. tidytuesday life expectancy. Overwrite this. There we go. Now we got to begin to import our three data files from the web. Come back up here, and we have to do a little data cleaning also. Nothing real heavy. Okay, so that's one. Data. Let's come back and get the second data set. Then we use the merge function to actually merge them into a single data frame. Create a new table. Two down, one to go. Two down, this is the last one to go. Transform. Now we're just going to use the good old fashioned. We're going to use the merge function. Remember the difference between merge and append is append appends it onto the bottom of the target data set, the target table. Merge appends it onto attacks it onto the right side of the table. Okay. And I want to create a new thing here. It's new. Now, of course, we could, just tack everything onto the original data set, but I like to keep the notice the table here. This basically contains all the rows in this table, in one table there. Okay. Merge. This time we're going to merge onto the existing table. Okay, so we'll go over here. We don't need entity code or year because it's already there. We don't want to use the original column name. Okay, So now split it out into the necessary column. We're going to do the same thing over here, but we don't need entity, which is country or year. Okay. Now let's check our row count. Yep, that looks good. Okay, good. Okay, what do we want to do here? Insert pivot table, new sheet. Okay, all you want to do is come over here. We want to do a count of the number of okay. We'll come over here. Let's insert a line plot. Okay. So what you see is here, somewhere down around 1947, the number of countries reporting, but it was 257. That's where it left off at. So that we did a quick verification row count, then we did a quick verification of the number of countries reporting by year. Okay. That's part one. Part two would be we actually go back and we use R, the R programming language, a Mongo-like package to create a new database in MongoDB and create a new collection from this spreadsheet right here. So be sure to stay tuned for that. Okay. Okay. Now that we combined our three CS files into a single spreadsheet table, single spreadsheet sheet. Now we need to come back over here and actually do our cleaning. Do an edit. So we're going to do two very simple, I don't think I've done this, but maybe we did. We'll see, just to make sure. Okay. Replace values. We'll replace NAs with alright. Then we're going to change type to decimal number. Alright. And now we got that. That takes care of our data cleaning for today then.